வணக்கம் செந்தில். எப்படி இருக்கிறீங்க? Okay, let us chant 3 Om and go for the today's session. Om. 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 Yeah, morning all. So last sun trend, we'll see how it has fared. I think around 24th October, there was a change in sun trend, I think. Yeah. We have predicted the down market only for the last sun trend, a flat down market. And so far it has down only. So just giving a hint of how you can do trade with this sun trend. Okay, you must have, if you actually for the sun trend, we should take for this sun trend, we have put like a kind of put buy, a simple put buy would have given you a decent profit. But what put buy you have to select is, suppose that the market is around for that from 24th October there is a kind of sun trend possible. You already have got a hint of that in 23rd October itself. So 23rd October the closing is around 25,900. So either you should buy a future, either you should short a future, or what you can do is you can buy a kind of put. That put must be inside the money put. Inside the money put means, for example, if you have taken that 26,000 put, 26,000 put for the October, that you can take. Say, okay, so how long you can hold this? Because it has gone down, it has gone up. You can at least hold that the previous cycle high was around 2600. If the day close on the spot, or the day close of the index is above somewhere around 2600, or it has consistently closed above that high, better you can take the stop loss and you can move on. Otherwise, if it is not moving, or if it is taking resistance there, it means still that market is going as per our prediction. You can hold that market. Okay. Now that trading is, now that part is over. So this last week, last sun trend we have discussed, and that we are discussing. And we have, I think myself only, I have talked with you. I have talked about some Rahu stocks, how it will move, and something like that I have talked with you. Usually, the Rahu stocks are for electronics and electronics related items. Mostly that since the index is not supported that much, there's a kind of flat trend only. Okay. But if I have shorted the stocks, we should have made a good profit. Okay. Now let us move on to current sun trend. Okay, the current sun trend changes from the November 6th, I think. From November 6th, the sun trend is changing. That means from tomorrow onwards, there is a new sun trend. Sun is getting connected with the Jupiter. In turn, it is getting connected with planets Saturn and Rahu. Saturn and Rahu. Since so the mostly for the next 14 days, the planets connected with the Sun are Jupiter, Saturn, and Rahu. So the position are not favorable to the bull market. So we, as per our theory, we predict downtrend. We predict downtrend for the next 2 weeks. From I mean, for the period of November 6th to November 19th, we predict the downtrend in the market. So the some downtrend will play. Already the markets in the started to go down only. So 25,597. We can take the first target as somewhere near this 25,400 or 450. This is the first target. And if this breached, we are expecting up to somewhere around 24,900. Around this level, we can expect 24,900 levels. We can expect that is almost 600, 700 points from here. It is possible for that downtrend. First target is 24,450. Okay, that's the first thing. One. So what are all the related stocks? It is since Jupiter, Saturn, and Rahu are related. Saturn related sectors are okay. Can take Coal India. It is already it has started to go down, and I think it will go down further. I think we can make the target of 371 for the first time. I think it will keep on going down only. If it is broken down, we can plan for another target of for the 14 days. We can there's a kind of trend line in this. So once this trend line is broken, we can expect the target of 368, and then the next target of around 356. 365 around 365 to 356 that we can expect. Okay, great. This is one thing, and other related stocks are steel stocks. We'll just check steel. Okay, it has also started to come down, and first target for JSW steel also we can short if it is possible. We can see it around 1132, 1132 to around 1100. Some 10% down is possible. So because 1100 points, so 7 to 8% down is possible in my view. Above all is bonus. and whatever is the next side, that is the BPCL. It's another company, BPCL. BPCL is going up and it is near the historical high. So better not to short until it makes some reversal. If it makes some reversal, I expect it to touch near 355. Okay, and around that place you can again buy, or you can cover. If you short, you can cover near that place. Okay, gain into petrol. Into petrol also showing some kind of reversal signs. I think it will reverse to around somewhere around 460 levels for the safer side. Jindal Steel, I think. Jindal Steels. Yeah, Jindal Steels. I think Jindal Steel also will reverse once it started to reverse, and you can expect around from 5 to 10% downside in this stock also. Think it will touch that previous sides, something like that, and it will start to reverse. Yeah, and it will start to reverse. It might start to reverse. Not will. Okay. So these are all the stocks. Mostly, I'm expecting the stocks to these stocks to go down only. Okay, we'll see how it performs. Okay, okay. So considering the moon trend, the moon trend also almost mostly supportive of bearish. So that's why I am much more confident for this sun trend that it is most probably a bearish trend. So actually, yesterday, not today. Today is actually it is supposed to be down, but market is off due to Good Nanak Jayanti, so the market is not working. And tomorrow we are expecting downtrend only, and second half some recovery possible. Second half, and the only more what to say, a kind of bullish day with higher probability comes on Friday, where moon is connected with the moon, and Monday, Tuesday, and next Wednesday. Mostly down market. Almost it is a kind of 70% favorable to bearish markets, and in between some bumps will be there. But overall, the down trend will be the bearish trend. That's how that planet says to us. Okay. So, for the coming sun trend also, I have discussed with you the stocks. Mostly it is related with Jupiter, Saturn, and Rahu. So you can expect some downtrend in metal-related stocks like steel, and some downtrend in oil sector. You can see how the crude oil goes. Crude oil is coming slightly plans to come up. Let us see. Okay. Okay. So my idea is either crude oil will reverse from this level because it is struggling in this level. So might probably it might reverse from this level because it has already started to reverse. Or what may happen is it will touch this trend line and it will start to reverse as the market is also not supportive to uh, price appreciation for the crude. So from where we can you can go, it can go up to the price level of 4,800 possible. The next 14 days time it is possible. Okay, or if you can go for buy because mostly sometimes Saturn might reverse and may cause bullishness also, but the probability for that is very low since that houses are not in favor of that price appreciation. But you can be caution. These levels are you be cautious with these levels, and you take your trades in line with that. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, and mostly I have talked about the related things. Okay, okay, profit. So this is the trends that I wanted to discuss with you, and as I said to you, I just share my trade possibilities. There is no guarantee that I will take trade in that because I have my certain parameters for taking trade. Just like that, I will not jump into trade, and I will advise the same to you. Please don't jump into the trade. Have your own metrics to enter and exit in the trade. Based on that, you can take a call rather than just jumping and doing things because it's not a trade recommendation. It's just a sharing of an research part only. Okay. So I have so far I have shared how market moved in the last sun trend and how market may move in this coming sun trend and how that days up to next Wednesday for the next 1 week I have given you some kind of overview of the market, and these are all the things I have discussed with you. If you have any doubts that you can ask, otherwise we can wind up the session. Namaskar, I'm Jay Prakash. I'm not Guruji. I'm Kolapan. Guruji is Swami Omkar. Anyway, thank you so much. I think it will be of some use to you. I have given very much needed information in a very condensed time because I could explain the movement of Nifty and Bank Nifty. In movement of Nifty, I have already explained Nitinji. You can replay the video. I have explained the movement of Nifty. Why there is a difference between both? Which planet rules each? Okay. Yeah, okay. Yes, you are correct. There is Nifty is a overall market trend, but mostly that Bank Nifty is mostly connected to the Jupiter and Mercury planets. Jupiter, Mercury, and Sun is the related planets. So even though the market going strong, in between the Mercury's position is good, or Mercury or Jupiter's position is good, we cannot say that both will move in the opposite directions. Or sometimes Bank Nifty will not fall in a way Nifty falls, or sometimes Bank Nifty will fall more than Nifty because whenever the Sun is connected with Mercury in a negative aspect, the fall will be more considering the Nifty. Nifty is, is the aggregate of all sectors. So we cannot expect Nifty to move like Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty is a kind of sectoral index. So whenever the sectoral planets are connected, the volume and the range of movements will be more. I think I have answered your question. Okay. Let's see how the Bank Nifty moved, just for the stake. Yes. Considering the Bank Nifty, it has not gone down as Nifty. Because why it has not gone down as per Nifty? Because Nifty is connected with for the last sun trend. Nifty was connected, Sun was connected with the Rahu. Rahu was in Jupiter star. So the Jupiter is not that much weak considered to that position of Rahu. So there is not much downtrend in what you can say that Bank Nifty compared to Nifty. This trend also, Jupiter is moderately better compared with other planets. So definitely there will be a downtrend, but there will not be a much downtrend in Bank Nifty. Could you show by the way of an example in a particular day? There are doubts. Okay, let us take one day. Nifty, we have taken Nifty. Okay, last day. Let's take 31st October. Okay, 31st October is there. 31st, no, yeah, 31st October. 31st October, you can see that there was some, okay, you can see the percentage from open to close. Previous close was around 24,873, and this day close was around 24,719. 24,873 minus 24,719. 24,873. And 54. So on that particular day, the Nifty was down almost 0.6%. Okay, now let us move on to Bank Nifty. 31st October. So 58,035 was the close. 58,035 minus this close was 57,766. 57,766. Divided by 58,035. So it was around 0.4% only. So the market has not moved that much considering the what Nifty. Nifty has fallen much. Bank Nifty net has not fallen that much. You can see that the planets of 31st also. Okay. We can see that the planets nowhere related. Mostly the key planets were not related with Mercury and Jupiter. Second house is related with Jupiter, but mostly the first house, the market tone will be set. So that not that much down in the market, and also Sun. Mostly, I have already told you, Sun is not. Sun connection is not that much of negative for the Jupiter and the Mercury. So that is how it moves. Okay. I think I think it might help you. I think. Okay. The sectoral index only there are ruling planets. Nifty planets like Nifty, there is no certain ruling planets. The ruling planets will change based on that particular day or that particular sun trend. And so based on where is the sun, we will say how that index will move. So when sun is connected with particular sectoral indexes, planet of sectoral indexes, there will be much more volume in that particular sector. That means based on that sun movement, it will go up or it will go down. Okay. Okay, I think we have discussed quite topics. Thanks for asking doubts, Nitinji. Uh, November 3rd. November 3rd. Okay. Yeah, November 3rd, mostly the market is connected with the Mercury. So the Mercury and Jupiter also not in a negative mode. It's connected with both Mercury and Jupiter. So these planets mostly govern or support the Bank Nifty. So since that intraday trend is connected with that particular planets, the movement was much bigger in the Bank Nifty sector. Okay. Maybe for the detailed observation or detailed explanation, we can, if you have not taken that financial astrology classes, you can take the classes. That will make you understand the concept much better way. Okay. So actually, we invite traders, the trading community, to consider financial astrologization one better option for tools, because mostly all the indicators we are using, except some indicators like FIBO, mostly all the indicators are like lagging indicators. Financial or astrology is a kind of leading indicator which will give us some advanced instruction about how the market will be going. So once the market gives the symptoms that okay, our assumption or our kind of our approach or our approach to that particular movement is correct, it will give market will give the hints, and we can follow that hint and we can take the position. Okay, fine. Okay, let us close this interview. Sorry, close this session with this note. And uh, thanks for your doubts and attending the session. Now we can conclude this session peacefully with three ohms. Om.